You may have seen these AI Disney Pixar poster memes. The memes have been all over the internet lately, and it's pretty funny. But what is it all about? The AI Disney Pixar poster meme is a series of fake Disney Pixar movie posters that have been created using artificial intelligence. These posters are often very creative and funny, and they sometimes feature dark or taboo topics. One popular AI Disney Pixar poster is for a movie called Edgar's Fall. This poster features a young boy named Edgar falling from a wood. The poster is clearly a reference to a viral video of a young boy falling from a tree's wood, and it's pretty dark. Another popular AI Disney Pixar poster is for a movie called Cost. This poster depicts a scene from the Holocaust, and it's obviously very disturbing. It's important to note that these AI Disney Pixar posters are not real. They are all fake and created using artificial intelligence. However, they have become very popular online because they are often funny and creative. Disney Pixar movies are known for being heartwarming and family-friendly. So the contrast between the wholesome image of Disney Pixar and the dark and disturbing subjects of the AI Disney Pixar posters is very funny. Disney Pixar movies are often criticized for being too formulaic and predictable. If you want to create same images, you can watch this video, and I will see you in the next video.